Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're always low on battery during commutes, needing a quick boost for your phone or earbuds without carrying a brick, or wanting something ultra compact for pockets, then get energized because today we're reviewing the Anker Prime Powerbank 600 mAh. This tiny powerhouse offers 6,000 mAh capacity for 1 to 2 phone chargers, 65W fast charging with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, smart digital display for battery status, slim metal design for portability, TSA approved for travel, and included cable for convenience. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a power bank that's speedy, fits anywhere for daily use, and keeps your essentials powered without wait, this is the one that'll prime your on-the-go life. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Anker Prime Powerbank 600 mAh. This bank has a premium metal body that's ultra slim at 0.5 inches thick and lightweight at 5 ounces, sliding easily into pockets or purses without bulge. The 6,000 mAh lithium battery delivers high-speed 65-watt output via 2 USB-C ports that support PD 3.0 for fast-charging phones or small tablets, like getting your iPhone to 50% in 30 minutes. The USB-A port adds versatility for older devices, and it recharges at 65 watts for quick fill-ups in under an hour. The built-in LED display shows precise battery percentage, current power flow, and time estimates so you know exactly what's left. Safety comes from Anker's ActiveShield 2.0, checking temperature and voltage millions of times daily to avoid problems. It's airline safe with no issues at security and includes a USB-C cable for immediate use. Setup is effortless. Charge it, plug in your device, and the display lights up. Priced around $40, it's budget smart with a 24-month warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are prime power, rapid 65-watt charging that handles multiple devices fast without lag, clear digital display for at-a-glance info, super compact and durable for everyday carry, TSA-friendly for worry-free trips, advanced safety to protect your gear, and great price for the performance. Users rave about the speed, pocket size, and how it saves them from battery anxiety on busy days. On the con side, the 6,000 mAh is smaller, so not for heavy all-day use with larger devices. No wireless charging option, the metal can get warm during max output, and display uses a bit of power when on. A few mention it's not for laptops needing more juice, but overall, the pros dominate for light travel needs. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Anker Prime Powerbank 600 mAh if you need quick boosts and the pros like compactness, fast charging, and affordability make sense for you. It's perfect for commuters, students, or anyone wanting pocket power without hassle. Before we wrap, if these reviews energize your tech, hit subscribe for more gear guides and click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend always charging, or subscribe for more. See you next time.